welcome to the Ingles table. I'm Jasmin Queen here at our local Ingles, getting you ready for the pregame with these easy and delicious Tailgate Devil eggs. You're going to be the hit of the party with this one, win or lose. So let's get started. I cheated a little bit today. I didn't boil these eggs. I picked these guys up already boiled and peeled here at Ingles. I found these over in the deli. So what we're going to do, I've already put 3 of the yolks in here. I'm going to cut these guys up and we're going to put the yolks right in here. There we go. And we'll go ahead and stick these guys over here so they will be ready to be filled when we get the filling done. So I am going to take a fork and I'm just going to mash these yolks. I'm a really big texture person, so I like my eggs really creamy. So I want to make sure that I get this nice and mashed. There we go, that looks good. And next, my time-saving trick for you is I'm going to put this in a Ziploc bag. This is going to make it so easy to pipe the filling out into these eggs. All right, so I have some mayonnaise here. I'm going to use the light mayonnaise. And you guys know I like to swap my recipes. I like to take the bad stuff out, and swap it for healthier ingredients. So we're going to use half light mayonnaise today, and the other half we're going to use some plain Greek yogurt. We're going to get some good protein from this, and it's going to make it just a little bit healthier. We don't want to get too swappy. We want to still have some mayonnaise in this so it tastes like what you would expect when you're eating deviled eggs. We have a little bit of vinegar. And then I have some sweet and spicy relish here. This is going to give it a good crunch. So I'm just going to put that in the bag. And then the secret ingredient, are you ready? We're going to use jelly in these. And I have the best jelly over here from Unicoi Preserves. We're going to use their brand new cherry jalapeno jelly. It's going to give it a nice sweetness, but it's also going to give it a kick. So we're going to put that in here. And you don't have to tell anybody about that. That's a secret in this recipe right there. It's going to make it extra, extra tasty. Now we'll put the yolk in here. There we go. If you're not a texture person like I am, you could actually just dump the yolk in here first and just mash it all up, but I like mine super, super creamy, so I like to make sure I have that all done. But this is such an easy recipe. You could take this right here to the tailgate, be ready, and no cleanup because you're doing it in a Ziploc bag. And we're going to snip the end here with our knife, I hope. That's the most dangerous part of it right there. Clip it with a knife, and then you're just going to use this and pipe this in your eggs. And it comes out so easy in this. And again, you could just put the yolk in here so you wouldn't even have a bowl. Super easy cleanup. The fun part though, since we're tailgating, we're gonna make these guys look like footballs. And that's it. A little crunch, a little sweet, a little savory, and all good. Thanks so much for joining me here at the Ingles table. Make sure to explore the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes. See you next time.